Hey, this is Alan Anderson at Anderson Estimating Service and ETU software. I'll get it. I'm trying to figure out where my finger is. That's where I'm hesitating there. Anyways, hey, we'll get right into it. I'm going to show you how to do an AI summary that I wrote. Okay, I just want to show it off. Yeah, without, oh, you know what? I really want to change that background. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. It's always the same background. We can go and change it. Let's go change it to something new. Pick a file. Let's pick a different one. Let's pick something more cheery. Yeah, let's go out in the desert. There we go. We're out in the desert today. Now we're out in the desert. Yeah. All right. So anyways, Anderson Estimating Service. That's me, Alan Anderson. Yeah. All right. So let's do this. So I have a project, and here it is. Here's I'm using Claude AI. And so what I do is I take the, there's an old project, the soils report. So typically I take the soils report and cancel, just get rid of all you. All y'all can go away. So I take the soils report and I take it into Bluebeam because it has to be unlocked or AI can't read it properly. So first off, I go to document OCR, and if it's not there, I try to print it. If it's locked, well, all I can say is I can unlock them. You're just gonna have to learn to unlock it. I have an unlock routine, but it's a lot. Don't even want to go through. For me, it's easy, but yeah. So anyway, so here's the soils report. We OCR'd it. We went through and document. We go through OCR, and that makes it so that AI can read it easier. Okay. So then we take it and we drop it in there, into the files. And so what I've done is I put the markdown empty file. I can provide that for you. It's called Geotech Summary. And tell me, and I'll put it on my website. That's the whole idea here. And then I put my logo banner. And then it writes a report. So it's uploading now, and we'll just sit here and do. So anyway, let's look at something else while it's doing that, okay? Hey, let's look at ETU hyperlink. Yeah, you can track any link. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. I'm telling you, it is awesome. You just right-click on any hyperlink, and it just puts a link, and it sends you an email. It's really cool. You just copy and paste that link into your email. Yeah, security. Nobody can paste anything into your emails. So let's see. That's just standards. Oh, there it is. Okay. So something weird about this. It doesn't. Okay. So we go run report and Word document. You know what? I'm going to pause this. Oh, yeah, I'm going to pause this and then we'll come right back because you know what? We're at 4 minutes. You know what? I'll go do something else because that's typically what I do. I just load this in and let it do its thing. So, yeah. We can talk about ETU hyperlink. I just got that going and, yeah, things are doing really good. And I've got all these videos to talk about it. And I got I got ETU hyperlink, a completely unknown product. Completely unknown. After 48 hours, #1 internet search on both Google and Bing. Now, whether they stick or not, I don't know. I looked the other day. I looked today, and it doesn't matter. I just wanted to it's a new product. I'm not putting it out for a couple months. So we're still in beta, and I just wanted to get the juices flowing. for getting it going. So let's go back to Claude. All right. So it's going through. So it's going to go through all these little things. I'm running a geotechnical summary. It's going to go through and read the whole report, and even the borings. I made it go through. I made Claude go through each one of the borings and check the depths and verify and do this and that. But it doesn't do no thinking. Okay, AI doesn't think. It just matches words. That's all, and that's all I want it to do. I just want something to just go through there and parse everything out, organize it, and put it into a nice, neat format so that I can read it and for what I need to do grading. So yeah, so it's let's go back over. So it's going through. It went through all this stuff. I think this is because I have the thinking mode on, and I like to have it think. So I'm using Opus 4.8, but you could use you can use any AI. The markdown file I'm going to provide, you just dump it into AI. But if anybody asks for it, and then you dump your OCR soils report into that file. Yes, a little hesitation. I need more coffee. Wow, this one, see right now it's going through each boring map, because it's going through all the refusals. Remember, we had a PWR. I forget exactly. Every place has their own acronyms. I just know it's refusals. They're looking for rock. They want their blasting. PWR. Okay, so now it's going and making the document, and it's going to go through and make it for you. So yeah, so I didn't realize we were just going to sit here and watch this. But here, let me go look at the site. Oh, I have the site up. Why don't we go look at it? Oh, there it is. So there's the site, and here's the existing edit. Existing boreholes. Boom. Get rid of all this stuff. Existing. There they are. And there's the strata. There's the boreholes. So we put all those boreholes in. Sometimes these come in, sometimes they don't. Let's see. Insert. Yeah, came in. So there it is. Yeah. Someday I'm going to have to go over whether your soils report or your site's been graded. I'm going to go through that. How do I enter my freaking strata when the site's been graded? It's really important. All right, come on, Claude. Claude node to generate 13 sections summary document. There it is. Yeah, so there's I spent hours and hours generating this AI summary report, and it'll print it out, and then we'll go over it in a sec. I'm just going to stop this, and we'll look at this later. Well, we're only at 9 minutes, I guess. I wanted some more time to go. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to stop this, and then we'll pick it up after it's finished. Okay, we skipped you watching AI just making this. So anyways, here's the summary report. You can go through it, but it's pretty detailed. I went through and, for my 40 years experience, I just wanted to suck the information out. And I was like, AI, wow, it could just, I tried it, just reading it, and it was just doing so bad. So I made it just do extraction. This is all it does. So existing conditions, and here's the depths. And I only want the depths in what we're working, not all the way down 50 feet. So yeah. And then it looks, if there was a moisture problem, then it would look at the rain and see what measurable rain was in the last 2 weeks or whatever. So anyways, and here's the top, and then AI, typical AI, right? So it thinks it's being helpful. It gives me the rain after the boring sweet time. I can't even explain how stupid that artificial idiocy. Anyway, so here it gives you the stripping. It went through all the borings and any chart, and it gives you the actual like PDF page number. PDF page number. These are the PDF page number. So, yeah. And all the it kind of gives you like an idea, but only in the range you would work in, not like 20 feet, 40 feet down. And then it gives you some testings, it looks like they had some liquid limit testing. So it gave you some of that. Gave you kind of their summary, not AI summary. This is their summary. Some specifications, foundation recommendations. These are all subject matters that I wanted to know. What the slab on grade recommendations were, pavement sections. Doesn't have any pavement sections. So there's no pavement recommendations we see in this. Rock excavation. So PWR, refusal, partially weathered rock. There we are. We answered the question to what PWR is. So there we go. And then we call that refusal in Tennessee. Once we can't get through it, it's refusal. So anyways, and typically it's different than in South Carolina. Anyways, so that's what an AI summary is. Yeah. And if you want this, just tell me. I'll put it on the website. I'll put it on my Anderson Estimating site downloads. You can have this markdown. And then just put your logo in there. Just remember to, on your whatever AI you're using. Let's go to Claude. So I'm using Claude soil summary. I use, so I put the markdown in my project file, and then I put my logo, and then when I'm done with the soil support, I just delete it. And then I say run, what's my prompt? Run soils report, run report, and Word document. And then you'll get the AI summary. All right. Hey, that's not bad. I'm at 12 minutes. That's good. Have a blessed day, my friends. Hey, don't forget to look at, since I have a few more minutes, ETU hyperlink. Okay. Yeah. Track any link. Oh, yeah. And I do web designs. Go in here to ETU hyperlink and look at these videos and what I did, how I did that for ETU hyperlink. I made ETU hyperlink. Oh, that's even closer. And Anderson Estimating Service. It's so hard to point at these. It really is. It's not the same. Maybe if I switched my video. Oh, that's what I'm going to do, is switch my video. Or I could just get used to it. But yeah, so I got ETU and Anderson Estimating Service, those two. Hey, don't forget to like, share, do all the stuff. Come on, help me out. Have a blessed day, my friends.